Rebellion is essential for freedom. The immortal martyr Mangal Pandey, who ignited the spark of India's first war of independence, was born on 19th July 1827 in Nagwa village of Balia district, Uttar Pradesh. Born into a humble Brahman family, Mangal Pandey was filled with courage, self-confidence, and an unwavering spirit to fight against injustice from a young age. His dream was of a Bharat where no foreign rule existed and every Indian could live with dignity. This very ideology led him to join the British East India Company's army, where he served as a soldier in the 34th Bengal Native Infantry. In 1857, the British government introduced the new Enfield rifles for their troops, whose cartridges were rumored to be greased with cow and pig fat, an insult to both Hindu and Muslim faiths. This religious affront, combined with years of oppression, spread like wildfire across India. Mangal Pandey could not tolerate this humiliation. He decided to revolt openly. On 29th March 1857, at the Barakpur cantonment, he sounded the bugle of rebellion. With weapons in hand, he attacked British officers Lieutenant Bagh and Lieutenant Hewson. This fearless act sent shockwaves across the nation. When asked to surrender, he boldly declared, "I am defending my faith, my country, and my self-respect." The British Army captured Mangal Pandey. He was court-martialed on 6 April 1857. Though his execution was initially scheduled for 18th April, the British, fearing the growing unrest, hastily hanged him 10 days earlier, on 8th April 1857. History bears witness, this was not just the punishment of a soldier, but an attempt to suppress an idea, a rebellion, and a revolution. But Mangal Pandey's sacrifice did not go in vain. His martyrdom awakened the entire nation. His revolt was not just an event, it was the spark that ignited the Great Revolt of 1857. Though the uprising did not succeed, it sowed the seeds of India's ultimate independence. His legacy continues to inspire. The birth of a true revolutionary happens the moment one refuses to endure injustice. Today, Mangal Pandey is remembered across India with great reverence and honor. His name lives on in schools, streets, and films. He is not just a figure of history but a symbol of patriotism and self-respect in every Indian heart. Glory to the immortal revolutionary Mangal Pandey. Vande Matram.